Hey, what's up, guys? Do you remember that video I made where the HTML elements squealed like a fucking pig with the PHP Demo Engine? Well, the guy that made that is Carl Churchill. Dude, this dude's epic. Anyway, he made this synthesizer thing. The drums machine is an 8-voice analog synthesis affair with a few components based on the actual TR-808 sounds, not the hi-hat, sadly. The bass in use is a mono synth that is broadly based on the TB303. The pads and marimba are each 8-voice and using simple OPL2 operator FM synthesis. I can't fucking talk. Let's go. Example of the test sequencer. Let's go. It's so epic!